In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Some of the parents keep interfering in the lives of their children. These parents do not allow their children to make even the small decisions on their own. What does happen with these children once they grow up? They fail to become a confident human being. It becomes very difficult for them to make a decision. It does become very difficult indeed for them to make a decision, and it becomes even more difficult to carry on their decisions. This is how their life becomes. This is how their life becomes. Although these parents are of the view that they are protecting their children, as a matter of fact, this sort of protection to their children, it spoils their future. Now, even if these children are very talented one, but they fail to make impact in the world. They fail to make impact even in their surroundings because they are not confident enough, because they are the least confident people, because these people could not get a training to make the decision, because these people could not actually get the freedom to make the decisions even about their own lives. Now, another some of the parents, another type of the parents, these parents actually, these parents, even if their children are not very talented, even if their children are not very intelligent, yet these parents allow their children to take the decisions on their own. These parents want their children to make the maximum number of decisions about their own lives. These children, once they grow up, these children, once they grow up, they become more confident human being. They become more strong human being. They had actually availed the opportunity to take the decisions about their life, the decision making. They have learnt the art of decision making. They have practiced the something. They have practiced the extremely important work of making the decision. They have practiced the extremely important art of carrying on their decisions. So these decisions of theirs, although each and every decision is not a very good one, each and every decision is not a very correct one, every decision is not a very perfect one, yet these people actually, these people keep growing, these people keep developing, and a time arrives when the people do succeed in accomplishing something which is very big, do succeed in accomplishing which is something which is very important. So I am of the view that if at all you are a parent, if at all for all the parents actually, I think that these people should take care about one thing, and this one thing is to allow their children a reasonable amount of freedom, to allow their children a reasonable amount of the freedom, because this freedom of the children helps them a lot in becoming a self-sufficient person, in becoming an independent person, in becoming even a kind of leader in the society, in the surrounding. So this is something which must be taken care of, because this is something which is really important. Now, if at all, now once a person is grown up, now once a person is grown up, if he she has practiced the decision making skill during the childhood, because they got the freedom of it, Now for these people, for the people who actually are skilled enough, up to an extent they are skilled in making the decision, in carrying on the decisions. Now these people, they should start a business of their own. No matter, even if they are having a very little amount of resources, yet these people can make the good decisions. Yet these people have the ability, have the strength to take the initiative, to make the plans and to carry on their plans as well, to make the decisions and to implement their decisions as well. These people are actually very suitable for the sake of business, for the sake of personal and private enterprise, because are really these people are really the fortunate people, the lucky people. Even if they don't look handsome, even if they are not handsome at all, rather they are plain, even if they are not very intelligent, they are rather average. But let me tell you, this practice of the freedom, the kind of freedom they got during their childhood, to make the decisions and to carry on the decisions. Now these people are very good actually in for their personal business, for the private enterprise. On the other hand, if a person, even if he she is very talented, even if he she is very creative, now these people actually, these people, if they fail to get the opportunity, if they fail to get the freedom during their childhood, their during their adolescence, to make the decisions and to carry on their decisions, now the right thing for their during their career, during their for their profession, for their career, for their livelihood, for their employment, I think so the right thing is to go for an employment and not to go for the business, not to go for the private enterprise. Because although these people are talented, although these people are creative, now these people can present the ideas, but they don't have the strength to carry on the decision, to make the decisions and to carry on the decisions. Now the best thing that they can do is this one. If at all you or someone else is at the threshold of choosing a career, if at all someone else have to make the decision about their future, if at all someone have to take a decision about the kind of profession they need to take, I think so. Apart from considering the kind of talent they have gotten, apart from considering the kind of grooming, the kind of education they have taken, I think so. Something which must be taken into consideration, something which must be considered is this one, that whether they were given enough freedom during their childhood, during their youth, to make a decision, to make the decision and to carry on the decision by their parents, by the surroundings. If at all these people could not get enough freedom, enough freedom, if the people could not get the opportunity to learn the decision making and to carry on the decision making. In a case like this one, I think so the right profession for these people, the right line for these people is to go for the employment and not to the to go for the employment and not for the business. Thank you.